Hello and Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Muhammad Ali Hamza. The purpose of this series is to share with you an understanding and comprehension of performance management. In the first lecture, I introduced you to performance management. We tried to understand different definitions and we tried to realize its importance in any organization. In today's lecture, we'll be talking about performance management cycle or performance management cyclic process. And when we talk about process, there are certain steps. And when we say cyclic process, it means it goes all the way in the year, and when year ends, it restarts and moves on. It's continuous process. So in the performance management cyclic process, the first thing we do is plan. I'm pretty sure that being a student of business management, you're familiar with the term POLCA, that is planning, organizing, leading, controlling, and assessing. Likewise, in performance management, the first step is to plan. But the question is, plan what? That's a good question. In the performance management cycle, while we plan, there are a couple of things we need to look into. The first thing is role profiling and agreeing on certain roles. Number two, we need to look into KPIs, that is key performance indicators. The third thing is performance goals. What do we expect from different level of employees? The next thing is performance development plans. And the last but not the least is the learning development plans. These are a couple of things we design in the planning portion of performance management cycle. Then we move on to the next step. And the next step is act. Yes, you got to execute what you have planned. There is a beautiful saying that beautiful plans go waste if not executed well. Yes, in the second step of performance management cycle, we execute whatever we have planned and we try to execute it as we have planned. So it happens, so we go into the next step, and that is monitoring. We monitor whether the performance goals are met or not, what are the shortcomings in the employee's skills or performances that needs development, and what are the learning schedules or learning plans that should be offered to our employees to improve their performance. So we keep an eye, and that is called the monitoring, which is the third step in performance management cycle. The last step in the performance management cycle is review. We actually do the performance assessment in this portion. Normally, it is misunderstood that performance management is performance appraisal or performance assessment. To correct ourselves or correct our understanding, performance management is the totality under which there are different things, and performance appraisal or performance assessment comes in the last step of performance management, and that is review. Yes, we review the performance of our employees, we sit and talk, we give them constructive feedback, while in the monitoring step, we give them a continuous feedback to improve them. But in the review portion, what we do is we assess, we discuss, and we give them or offer them different opportunities to improve their performance if they require so. So, in the performance management cycle, we start from the plan, we go to the act, we monitor the act, and then we review the entire thing for the next plan. And the next plan would be the better plan that will offer us the better execution, that would give us the better results. Dear students, performance management cycle consists of 4 steps. To remember that, you can simply call it PAMR. PAMR? I don't know. Is there any word like PAMR? I have no idea, but it is PAMR. That is plan, act, monitor, and review. In this course, in the coming classes, we'll be talking about these all steps individually and in more detail. That's all for today. I'll inbox you the review questions, a case, assignment, a quiz, and something to read. If you are not my direct student, you can write your email down there in the comment box and you will find this all material in your email. So look after to yourself, stay safe, stay learning.